Hello guys, I got new running shoes from Sports, and they are Sports Direct, and they are Nike. When I did cross country with these shoes, they used to slip over. They used to slip over and they got stuck in the mud, but now I got laces and I can use them for getting it tighter. As these ones, I don't need to just go like that. I know how to do my laces now. My brother and my mum taught me how to do it. These shoes my dad got from Sports Direct, and when I got them, I pushed the back. I pushed this bit down, and the things inside went all puffy, and I can't put it on anymore. And it cost a lot of money. So please, guys, don't push this bit down. Just pull it, and then just go like that. And this spray protects the boot from getting muddy and wet. I got these new ones and I can't push it in because there's a hook that you pull and then push it in. And then I really like the design. It has this see-through thing at the bottom, and it has cushion thing at the back. And I like these because it's stealth. This is called Nike. Nike. I like these, and the grip of the shoes are very good, and I like the style of it, and because you can't see the laces, it's tucked in to the I don't know really where to find it, but it has laces. So thank you for watching my video. Please smash the subscribe button, and hope you enjoy my video. Hello guys, I'm back reviewing these new shoes, and I just discovered that they aren't laces, they're just elastic. And the reason why they kept on coming off because it's size 1.5. But I'm still going to be using them when I'm walking around. And these ones are so cushion, but they still have some space. These ones are longer, the Nike ones, and I was wearing these football socks because in sports we wear long socks, and in football today we scored 10-0 to us, and when I walk around with them, they go down and they can stretch back. So when I go like this, it doesn't hurt. And the tongue, when you put it on, it doesn't go like squished in, it just comes out. And the reason why I didn't like these ones is because of the cushioning. It's very hard at the back and the bottom bit is really hard. So, and I like these better because of the colours. And I don't like these because of the colour. I don't like green and blue, I like black and white. And I like the design of it, like dots here, the big Nike sign here. And yeah, and it has this design at the back and here and Nike. I hope you enjoy my video. Please subscribe and smash the thumbs up button. And see you next time.